Hi guys, today we are going to see how to download Proton VPN on Google Chrome. We first need to enter this link. Click download here, click Chrome here, click download extension. After that you will open this link, click add it to Chrome. After you download it, open the Proton VPN extension, click sign in. Of course, the VPN is with no log policy and unlimited data. You can sign in with your Proton account and press keep me sign in here. You log in with your account and the VPN will work after that. If you find this helpful, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. And thank you.